My name is Aman. I'm pursuing first year. I'm in first year PGDM in at IMI New Delhi. So I've taken analytics as a minor in the second for the second year. I've been learning various courses like SAP Lumira. Then I've learned Tableau. So this Power BI course is quite similar to that, but it will give me an edge over others because I know so many courses. I've learned R as well. So yeah. Yeah, as I said, I have taken analytics as a minor, and I've been learning Tableau and R and other courses, other software as well. So this will give me an edge over others. So yeah, the purpose of attending is broaden my scope in all the softwares. The course content was quite easier because I know some sort of coding and as well, so it was easier for me. But for others, it was made really simple, and our course mentor was has helped us a lot because of his one-liner definitions of all the jargons as well. So yeah, he has helped us a lot to make this course simpler. So a trainer, as I said earlier, a trainer has really good knowledge, and there are many people who doesn't know any kind of coding, and they don't have any technical background. So for that, he was giving a one-liner definition for all the jargons that has been used in the Power BI software. So yeah, he was kind of helping us to develop ourselves into and have a foot in the competition. I'll recommend this course of Power BI.